Okay, we are going to show some video work here as we go down. You can see with our forward spray head, we're able to clear out the pipe behind us, and you can get an idea where the water level is in the pipe. We're going to do this as we move down to the main and try and show that we are clearing the belly out of debris, and also so you can see the water staying on the piping to get an idea of the water level. Again, we will do a final video, but we want to at least go ahead and try and show, as we're doing the cleaning, try and show the level where the water sits. As you can see, we have that T here at 12 o'clock, right at about 29.5. We will locate that. We do have another area drain. We do have another area drain that we will go ahead and take a look at and see if that's the tie-in for it. It is a bit away, but we will test that out. Okay, as you can see, we're well into the main run again at 80 feet. As you can see, the pipe looks in good condition. We're not holding much water out this far. There's no debris in the piping. We are going to pull back at this time. You can see again there are areas that hold a slight amount of water. You can see here's our jet, and you can see we've been able to clean the piping out. Here you can see is an area where it held the most water. It does hold about 1/3 of a pipe through here. You can see we are holding some here. We will do a final video with a centering guide once we pull the jet hose out. This area is right here at the start. You can see the cast iron does hold a little bit of water. Again, we believe this is roots. We believe this is another drain tile tie-in. Again, it's right here, just in front of the clean out. We will go ahead and pause this recording and then set up with a centering guide. Okay, this is going to be our final video. Again, we're trying to do a centering guide, so it may take us a minute to get down through the cast iron. Okay, now we've got to try and see if we can get a visual here. Okay, now we're going to pull back some. Okay, you can see here's the cast iron, and here's the transition just ahead to the clay tile at 8 feet. You can see we do hold some water right here. At the start we did a video to show the actual water level as we were doing the jetting. As you can see, this does hold just above our camera head for about the first 10 feet. As you can see, the line as we pull back here, it's close to about normally a half a pipe. You can see here it starts to decrease as we go through the pipe. And here you can see it's just barely on the bottom is the water line mark. We did clean this line out to about 80 feet. It's past where we tie into the main. And you can see we have a slight amount of water there, nothing that the camera doesn't have a visual on. Again, you can see we hold just a slight bit water again as we push forward. Sometimes it appears to be over the lens when the water level is not all that high. And our centering guide sometimes gets caught in the joints. Here you can see this is where we have another building tying in. So at this point we are going to go ahead and pull back at this time. Again, this is a final video for lot 234. We're going to locate this at 12 o'clock. Okay, we've located this. This is just a little ways away from the area drain. The opening is on the north side of the sidewalk. The area drain is just on the south side. So we're going to run some water with our jetter in the area drain for a bit and see if we actually get some water flow through here and see if this is that tie-in. Okay, as you can see here, water is coming in from the area drain. That's what this tie-in is. We're going to go ahead and get the water shut off, and then we'll finish our recording.